Welcome everyone. Okay, today's session would be taken by Mr. Balram Talreja. Balram Talreja has experience of almost 30 years now in the field of yoga, mind power meditation. He's a very experienced trainer, and today's topic would be Yoga Prayog. So we will learn the techniques, how to use yoga in our day-to-day life, and how to solve problems through it. Okay. About Rapid Mile, Rapid Mile has been there for almost 17 years now. We have been focusing on the trainings related to law of attraction, mind power, Silva Ultra Mind. Okay. So, and we are taking online sessions with a group of 5 trainers now. Uh, First, Mr. Balram Telia is there right now with us. We have Sanjeev Mishra, who takes trainings on the money part. We have Dr. Anila Lal, who is an expert in law of attraction. And we have the new joinee Niharika, who is also an expert in law of attraction and also a trainer for the success principles of Jack Canfield. Okay, then I'm there. My name is Shaz. I'm the director of Rapid Mile. Okay, so welcome everyone. I'll share the link of the midweek magic session also in case I do see some of the new faces. So in case if you have not joined the group, please feel free to join the midweek magic club. Okay, Balram, please go ahead with the session. All of you, I would request you to unmute and give a warm welcome to Mr. Balram Talreja.
Okay. Thank you, Shazbhai, and thank you everybody else. First of all, we shall start the session with 3 times Om chanting. It's such a wonderful pranayam. It purifies the body, mind, and the surrounding itself. We shall be chanting this in the form of pranayam thrice. So everybody be straight, eyes closed, attention at the center of eyebrows. You have to very slowly first breathe in, taking the abdominal breathing into consideration. You have to start with a single, oo, double of that, and ma humming B sound 4 times of that. That means a, oo, and ma. The ratio will be 1:2:4. Start. Slowly breathe in. 3 times you are going to repeat this. Just relax and keep eyes closed. Absolutely, the body has to be straight, relaxed, and steady. Relax forehead, eyes gently closed. Now pay the attention to the center of eyebrows and visualize yourself as a conscient being of light. In the center of eyebrows, a tiny, shining point of light. very clearly. Visualize your true self. We are not the body, but a spirit, soul, conscient being of light. In this consciousness, we get connected to the real self, the true self, and the authentic self. This is called self realization, soul consciousness, the true self, authentic self, and the real self, which is not the body, but the operator of this body. When we connect, link, unite our true self to the Supreme Self, also called as God, Almighty Authority, Infinite Intelligence, whose form is also a point of light, like we are, but ocean of all the qualities and powers. When we connect this being of light to the supreme light, we energetically get connected to all the powers of universe. Once we are connected to the highest authority, all the powers, as per our thoughts and our visualization, what we'll see later on, it starts flowing in us, which enriches us, empowers us, enlightening us. The same power we can definitely use to overcome all our day-to-day problems, even for the others, for the five elements of the universe, all the souls of the universe, and every area of the life can be truly satisfying, more fulfilling. You start living the life of purpose. Yes, now, very gently, very slowly, open your eyes. योग के प्रयोग, the experiments of yoga. I have been using this, what Masaru Emoto, a scientist in Japan, he has been using it on the water. I learned it from there about 2 decades ago. But the real experience, what I could get by healing others through this experiment of yoga, it started when I first went to USA to help one child. I'll narrate this story later on. We'll start the very little experiments, what we can do right from today in our day-to-day life. Once my wife told me that our neighbor's daughter has got exam tomorrow and she has got 102 degrees fever. How you can help him out? I went to her house. I told her what the medicine you got as an antibiotic for your daughter. Give in my hands. I took the medicine in one hand and the water in another hand, and I said 11 times or 7 times also you can repeat, I am a pure soul. मैं पवित्र आत्मा हूँ. I am a pure soul. मैं पवित्र आत्मा हूँ. 7 times. If you repeat and then intend, once this medicine goes in, the fever of my daughter is going to be absolutely normal, because her mother was supposed to give the medicine to her daughter. So she repeated with me, looking into the water and in that medicine, antibiotic, and repeated 7 times, I am a pure soul. मैं एक पवित्र आत्मा हूँ. इस दवाई के लेते ही मेरी बेटी का बुखार नॉर्मल हो जाए. Within 30 minutes, she became absolutely all right, and next day she could appear for the exam. Henceforth, what are the medicines we are taking? If we give our eyesight in that water for that medicines and just repeat this affirmation, you'll see the miracles. You can intend, इसके लिए मेरे पेट का दर्द ठीक हो जाए, इसके लिए मेरी आंखों की नजर बढ़ जाए. Whatever you are intending from that those medicines for the diabetes, for the blood pressure, what the disease may be, you will see the wonderful results out of this. Now I'll tell you that this can be used for any damn problems in the life. For example, suppose 2020 we have seen was full of tension and stress. 2021 we are finding it more difficult. In this era where the challenges of life are very high, everybody is finding a lot of stress on their minds, and I'm telling you, by the year 2025, half the population of the world won't be able to sleep in the night. Around 60 to 70 percentage world's population will go into depression. Now we are passing through the corona disease. Of course, corona already has produced the antibiotics for that for this infection. But I'm telling you, schizophrenia, depression, dementia, these mental problems in fact have got no cure. But the things that I'm going to discuss today, with experiments of yoga, you can definitely overcome all these mental problems.
Yeah, we can hear you.
Yes, we can hear you, Shahja.
All right. So Dr. Balram sir would be joining in a minute. Until then, let me ask you a couple of questions. He talked about Dr. Emoto. So has anyone heard of the name of Dr. Emoto earlier?
No.
No. So Dr. Masaru Emoto was a Japanese scientist and a doctor. Okay. And he did a lot of experiments on water. So what he did is he took different samples of water from different places. Let's say sample from a lake, sample from a river, sample from sea, sample from a contaminated zone or a drain. And then he froze those waters and took a drop of it and froze it and then studied them in the microscope. And what he saw that different kind of waters from different places created different patterns. Okay, so when they created different patterns, so he got inquisitive as to why this is happening. And so what he found that places where the water was clear, they were quite nice different crystals. Okay, and the places where the drainage was there were no crystal formations. And also he did a lot of experiments where he induced water to different kind of musics or different kind of names of people from the past. Let's say he stuck a label of Hitler on the water, and he stuck a label of Mother Teresa on the water. So the water crystal formation was also very different when it came to studying the crystal from the bottle of what Mother Teresa and Hitler. So he came to this conclusion: water is a very receptive medium, and the energy which is associated with water gives the shape to the crystals of the water. Right. So this was the study of Masaru Emoto, and later, if time permits, I'll share some of the images of the crystals as well. Please go ahead. So back to Mr. Balram Talreja.
I'm actually sorry for the interruption. So we'll go ahead. See, I was talking about depression and insomnia. Very simple example I'll tell you. You keep on writing because different affirmations I'll be giving for the different diseases or the problems. So please keep your pens in your hands and keep on writing. Now the very first thing, if you are not able to sleep, what I told you, the half the population of the world by the year 2025 won't be able to sleep in the night, and 60 to 70% world's population will go into depression. So for that, what you do, I'll tell you different techniques. So you have to rub your hands like this for about 7 to 11 times and take the affirmation that I am a great soul. I'm a great soul. I'm a great soul. I'm a great soul. मैं एक महान आत्मा हूँ. मैं एक महान आत्मा हूँ. मैं एक महान आत्मा हूँ. If you keep your both the hands in the cup form over your both the hemispheres of the brain like this. This you can continue for a minute's time. You can do this for 10 times in a day, or you can continue for 5 minutes each time, repeating the same affirmation. I'm a great soul. Rubbing both the hands while repeating this affirmation for 7 to 11 times. And this right now also you can see. Right now also you can feel. Come on, rub both the palms and say with me, I'm a great soul. मैं एक महान आत्मा हूँ. मैं एक महान आत्मा हूँ. मैं एक महान आत्मा हूँ.
I'm a great soul. I'm a great soul.
मैं एक महान आत्मा हूँ. I'm a great soul. I'm a great soul.
I'm great soul.
Soul.
I'm a great soul.
Great soul.
Now take these both the
soul.
hands. Take these both the hands in the cup form and keep it above your both the hemispheres of the brain. Eyes closed. Yes, now very slowly, take it down. Now see, even in this 1 minute time, you can see that your brain gets charged with a highly elevated thoughts, which emits a radiation, which emits a frequency, with a higher frequency, because every thought has a creative energy. And if you apply it like this, you can see the wonderful results. Here, for depression, if you write down about 108 times, मैं मास्टर सर्वशक्तिवान हूँ. I am master almighty authority. मैं मास्टर सर्वशक्तिवान हूँ. If a depressive person writes it for, you can keep on increasing. You can start with 10, 20, 108. If you write down, you will find that within few days, the depression will be totally out of your life. The same thing you can repeat in the morning also when you get up. If you write down, the better results you will find in this. Suppose you've got both the knees are paining. We are the children of God, who is called the Almighty Authority. We the Almighty Authority, the highest power, infinite intelligence. We are the children. So we can be called as the master. If you repeat this affirmation for 7 to 11 times, I am Master Almighty, I am Master Almighty, I am Master Almighty, I am Master Almighty. And if you keep your both the hands in the cup form over the patella bone of your knees like this, you will find that within few days your knee pain can be totally disappeared. You can start walking again. Such a wonderful, these experiments we have been taking from the worldwide. Our Mr. Suraj Bhai from Mount Abu, he is a yogi for the last 50 years staying there, and he has got the results of thousands and lakhs of people by the experiments of this yoga. Now, see, if anything in your life is not happening the way you want it to happen, किसी भी कार्य में कोई बहुत बड़ा विघ्न आया हुआ है, ऑब्स्टेकल, in that case, two affirmation, if you keep on repeating, two affirmation. Number one is I am Master Almighty Authority. मैं मास्टर सर्वशक्तिवान हूँ और मैं विघ्न विनाशक हूँ. मैं मास्टर सर्वशक्तिवान हूँ. I am Master Almighty and I am obstacles destroyer. मैं विघ्न विनाशक हूँ. If you repeat this for about 21 days, you're not getting through some exam. आपकी कोई प्रॉपर्टी नहीं बिक रही है, आपको कोई काम नहीं हो रहा है, the issue is not getting resolved, maybe of the relationship, maybe of the job, maybe the career. You will find that if you keep on repeating these affirmations in the night before you sleep 7 to 11 times, early morning when you get up, whenever you get up, that is, if you repeat these affirmations, you will find that gradually all the obstacles will get vanished, and because you are elevating yourself to the highest of your self-esteem, that is, I'm the Master Almighty. Once you say that I am Master Almighty, all the godly powers enter in you. And when you then affirm, मैं विघ्न विनाशक हूँ, then you can see your all the problems which are not getting solved. It will get the wonderful results with the proper solution of their problems. Apart from that, suppose your boss doesn't like you, or he has got some very complicated karmic account with you. He keeps on teasing you, keep on harassing you all the time. This another experiment of yoga I'm telling you. In the morning, when you get up, if he is sleeping at that time, nothing like that. That means you have to get up early in the morning, do some meditation. How this yoga works, that I'll explain you. Just say, because that time his conscious mind is not awakened, that directly whatever you want to, you will say to that soul, that person, whether it is a boss or your wife or your kids, whosoever he or she is or are. If you just say, you are a good soul, you are a great soul, you are a child of God, you are my good friend, and you are very cooperative to me. 4 sentences if you say, I'll tell you within 2 days you'll start finding the results, and in 8 days time, if you repeat these affirmations for that particular soul in the morning time, when that soul is sleeping, you had finished your meditation practice, and then just visualize that soul, that person, and you have to say 4 words, 4 affirmation sentences. You are a good soul, you are a great soul, you are a good soul. आप एक महान आत्मा हैं, आप एक अच्छी आत्मा हैं, आप भगवान के बच्चे हैं, you are a child of God. Third, you are my friend, you are good friend of mine, आप मेरे अच्छे मित्र हैं. And the fourth is, you are very cooperative to me, आप मेरे अच्छे सहयोगी हैं. If all these 4 sentences you keep on repeating even for 8 days, any person who is ill treating you or not having the relationship, harmony in the relationship, will find a dramatic change in his attitude or in her attitude. We'll go ahead. See, I'll start with first I'll tell you what this, I have written here, the title is Yoga Ka Prayog. See, the yoga, what India has taught to the world on the World Meditation Day, World Yoga Day, 21st of June. We only know the part of yoga. We only have told the world a part of it, what Patanjali describes as the asanas and the pranayamas. There is a physical part of our life, but yoga here means link, union, connection of the self to the supreme self. हम थोड़ी देर बाद इसका प्रैक्टिकल करेंगे. When you are connected to the real self, the power within you, what you call as the soul, and then you connect to the supreme self, automatically, energetically being in connection with the supreme power, all those powers keep on coming in you. Here, there is no question of repetition. You have to be in, see, only once you repeat these four sentences, only once. This will be repeated only once. But to have the power, have to stop all the wastage from your mind. As we keep on doing the meditation very regularly, yoga means internal yoga, what Patanjali calls as dharana, dhyana, samadhi. 3 stages Patanjali described. And what I'm talking today about the Rajyoga meditation, which I'm doing for the last 30 years, that is called the Rajyoga meditation taught by Brahma Kumaris. We have got 156 countries, over the branches, more than 9,500, and everybody has seen the miracles in their life. खिजान से बाहर मैंने अपनी जिंदगी में इस योग को करने के बाद देखा है. So I will tell you, before you go for the practicals, I was called to California. His Nanaji was coming to my yoga class, physical yoga class. He told me my grandson is not keeping well. He has got the immunity level is very low, and he is undergoing medicines, and now those medicines have started, rather you can say, damaging his kidney. Steroid he was taking. When I went there, everything was done by the doctors of America, California. But they were very much scared because that particular treatment where the rituximab named drug was given to that boy to regenerate all the cells, they wanted that real cells to be killed. I just went them. I taught them meditation. I was there for about 8 days. Both of them I taught meditation every morning. We were sitting together. And when the real treatment started, I gave a write-up to his mother, who was carrying the child in her arms on the bed. That treatment was supposed to last for 16 hours. 400 ml of rituximab drug was to be given to his body. I was meditating there and was telling, I had written a write-up for his mother also. I told that with this, every drop of the rituximab drug, with the rays of Almighty authority, along with this, it is entering the body and killing the every single unwanted cell in his body. Another affirmation I wrote for that mother, I told her that you keep on repeating all the unwanted cells in my son's body. I bless you with love. Now I set you free. You are free. He is free. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I'll repeat once again. I bless you with love. To all those cells, she had to say, I now set you free. You are free. My son is free. Thank you, thank you, thank you. With this treatment, where 200 side effects were there, they were very scared. They did not like to go. The boy can't be saved if he doesn't go into this treatment. I tell you, in the very first attempt, that boy, it is almost now 10 years completed. That boy has become absolutely normal. When I went there, because of the side effects of the steroid, his arms were so much of big arms. His tummy was very big. But after the treatment, everything was done by the American doctors. But along with that, which were the spiritual applications in that during his treatment, all the side effects were neutralized, and the perfect result of those medicine. Now that boy is grown up, he was that time he was 5 years old. Now he is about 16 years old and very young chap, very dynamic, very handsome chap. Now see, very important to examples I give you. About 2.5 years back, I live in Mumbai. My father was living in Nagpur, in Maharashtra. My brother also lost about 25 years back. My brother's son is staying with his family, with my father. My father got the brain stroke in the night, and he went into semi-consciousness. He was crying a lot on the phone. Ki, Chacha ji, aap aa jao, uncle, please come. I'm not able to handle the situation. The situation is very critical. I went to the very first flight to Nagpur. Now, very carefully listen. He was in ICU. He got the paralytic attack also. Very critical condition, unconscious state. I went in the hospital and very boldly I went inside. I knew that he cannot live the life this way. He had already got a arthritic to the extent of damaging even his ankle joints. Means he was not able to move his both the legs. And he always was telling me, Balram, I don't want to be dependent on anybody else. But till the time I'm on this earth, मैं चाहता हूं कि मैं अपने आप चलूं, किसी का मोहताज बनकर नहीं रहूं. Now, under this critical conditions, I thought there is nothing. He was almost about 80, 82 years old. So what I did in the hospital when I in the ICU, I directly put my thumb over here. I disconnect the cord from him for all our family members. By putting the thumb at the center of the eyebrows, I told, we all bless you with love. Now we set you free. You are free. We are free. This affirmation, I just repeated these words by putting the thumb at the center of his eyebrows, and I told him, we all bless you with love. We set you free, and you are free. We are free. I disconnect the cord from everybody else for him because he was in the unconscious state. If he would have been connected, then the last stage cannot come so easily. Then I told his ear. Even though he was in a semi-conscious state, I told him कि आप जा सकते हैं, you can go, आपकी हर इच्छा को हम पूरा करेंगे. You can go, we'll complete your all the desires. And after that, what I did, I started all the yoga experiments, yoga prayog. What I was doing, I contacted Suraj at Mount Abu also. He also guided me कि आप उनको, you can liberate your father's soul who was in a very critical condition and into the unconscious state. So what I was doing about 10 times in a day, I was rubbing both my hands and 2 affirmations I was taking. मैं master सर्वशक्तिवान हूँ, I master almighty, and then मैं master mukti दाता हूँ. I'm the master liberator. Liberator is God, and being his children, we definitely are the master liberator. We can be the master liberator. And I was keeping both the hands on his hand like this. In the ICU unit, he was for 3 days. Then doctor told me, okay, he cannot be corrected. It's better you take it home. But everybody was very much scared how long he is going to continue. I told them, I'll be staying here with you. You don't worry about this. And we very boldly brought him to home. And we arranged for the caretaker for him. Evening 5 p.m. we brought him to home. By the next day, when I was brought there, I did lot of meditation that night, that the rays of the Almighty Authority in the form of liberation are entering my father's soul, and I also was taking the rays in me and diverting to my father. Next day, the most amazing, the most what we are aspiring for. My father, caretaker, was before him, and all our sisters, brothers, everybody was collected in that house. So he told कि भाई दादाजी ने आंख खोला है, दादाजी ने आंख खोला है. I went inside and instantly I rubbed these both the hands, put it here, and I told that Almighty, you are my soul's father, you are my soul's father, but now my body's father is in very much trouble. Soul wants to leave and his brain is damaged. Please help him out. Again, the rays of Almighty authority I imagine in me and through me to that soul within 2.5 minutes. He was no more. Within 2.5 minutes. Another very, very interesting example, what motivated me to keep this subject today is my in-laws. Both my wife's parents, because of lockdown, we could not help them. His son is living apart from them and not in good relationship. These two sisters are there, my wife and my Saliji. So everybody was very much confused how we can take care of them. These lockdown days, we cannot go to the society, we cannot leave our home. So what we did, because a regular I'm meditating every day, because I keep on getting the insight, getting the inner voice, getting the divine guidance from me. Their house is about 18 kilometers away from us, and we brought him here, got him the place of rented place for them just next to our society. And then because of the traumas of the family's traumas, my mother-in-law could not be out of bed for 8 months. My father-in-law, again, he underwent one trauma and he lost his heart, got failure. The ejection fraction of the heart was only 15 working out of 30. 3 months back, my missus told me, Balram, you've been always telling me, I do a lot of experiments, you did it for my father. Now please help me. I am really not able to look at the suffering of my both the parents. So I started doing the intense meditation with certain purpose. That purpose was, because the father-in-law got a heart failure, he was totally helpless and hopeless. All the things, even the diapers changes were there round the clock for them. So I did 21 days meditation with the intention of liberation of my father-in-law. 21 days. Same time, same place, same intention. If you do for 21 days, कि मैं आज का योग कर रहा हूं मेरे इस प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करने के लिए, for the liberation of my father-in-law. That was my intention. I asked them, okay, what you want? They were rather very very disturbed and restless and hopeless for the last 3 years. They were crying कि हमारे मम्मी डैडी को भगवान क्यों नहीं उठाता, इतनी ज्यादा सफरिंग उनके पास में. 21 days I completed, but he was still alive. I continued my meditation. In between, the mother-in-law, who was totally bedridden, got lot of not only bad sores but the boils on her body, and she was absolutely restless. Even she was not restful even for a single minute. She could not sleep in the night. So what I did on the 1st of March, I started doing my meditation 2 hours in the evening. In their home, I was going and all the godly powers connected and then diverting to her. 4th of March, she was liberated. 4th of March, she was liberated. Now, the father-in-law, 12 days they completed of this, what were the rituals they had to perform. He could see everything with his own eyes. Now, he also lost the hope. He had lost my kids, I lost my home, I lost my partner, and everything lost my life. Why I'm here? Everything he was trying, what will happen with me? Where I'll go? Then that time I told my brother-in-law, मैंने अपने साले को बताया कि आप फिक्र मत करो. We'll get the results at the earliest possible. And I started doing the meditation and yoga prayog upon him. And on the third day, I was charging the water for him more than 3 months for both of them. पानी का बॉटल जो पीते थे, दोनों पानी की बॉटल को I was charging by rubbing both the hands. when my mother-in-law got a lot of boils on her body, तो किसी भी शरीर की तकलीफ के लिए, whether it's acne, whether it is psoriasis, whether it is whatever the skin problems you got, na, for that we use the affirmation, मैं परम पवित्र आत्मा हूँ, मैं परम पवित्र आत्मा हूँ. Charging the in their bottle, I was carrying in the hand like this, the complete bottle of water, and I was saying 11 times. I was rubbing my both the hands and then charging that water, and it has also really helped a lot to both of them. That charged water, they both of them were drinking for about 3 months time. This also practice I was doing, rubbing both the palms and keeping on their heads, and I could see that now everybody in their house is so much blessings. After that also my father-in-law went. It is almost now we have completed the 12th day yesterday, day before yesterday. Still I was going there. Every day I was meditating there. Whenever I was looking at their pictures, na, frame pictures, I was feeling as if they are really very happy and blessing me. Balram, what you have done for us, na, you got us liberated. You have given the God's power at the end time, Antamati Sogati. And now every single family members of my in-laws house has been telling me, if anything, because they were suffering, both the daughters, son, daughter-in-law, they all were very much worried, very much fearful, very much anxious. What is going to happen? But this yoga, my yoga has really played a vital role in getting those souls liberated and removing all the miseries in every house because of their suffering. So this is a wonderful yoga prayers I'm telling you. And we nowadays, this corona, what everybody is expecting will go in 2020, but we are finding now 2021, even for not only for India, but it's a world around very critical is America and Brazil. So this particular earth element एक काफी विकृत हो चुका है because of our all the unethical behavior, lack of values behavior or thoughts. And this thing has really put this entire universe into a very bad phase. If all of us collectively during meditation, because we do the early morning meditation, that is for our self improvement, that is for the filling the powers in, and the evening meditation, what we observe, it is only for giving it to the world around you. We all Brahmakumaris worldwide observe every third Sunday from 6:30 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. with a single thought. For example, sitting on the globe, what slide will be seeing right now, sitting on the globe, I am giving all the world's souls and all the 5 elements of the universe, the rays of purity और sometimes rays of peace, शांति के, कभी पवित्रता के, कभी सुख की किरणें, हम लोग सभी मिलके worldwide, all the BKs worldwide, those who are more than 10 lakhs now, we give the power, Sakash, which is called it, to the entire universe, to all the worldly people. So there are so many, this thing we keep on describing to you, but now I'll share some slides to you. And if you want to really learn what Rajyoga meditation is, how we can apply these experiments in our day-to-day life, even for the other souls, even for the other problems ke liye, that also I am ready to teach you, for which we never charge. We never ever can charge for teaching this meditation because it's directly being taught by God, the Supreme Father. So now, Shada, can you please share the slides? I'll just show you the glimpse of slides where you can see. You'll have a better idea about this, how it works. Shada, are you there?
Yes, I'm there. Can you see the slides?
Yes. Very first slide, it shows. Can everybody see the slide?
Yeah.
The very first thing what Yoga says, consider yourself the true self. What we are not the bodies, but we are the souls for the operation of this body. In the center of the eyebrows, we start looking ourselves in this constant being of light, a चमकता हुआ बिंदु, देव सितारा, टिमटिमाती हुई मणि. With this we get disconnected from all the physical. हमारा शरीर है, देह के संबंध हैं, देह के वैभव हैं, वस्तुएं हैं, व्यक्ति हैं. We get disconnected from all the worldly people or the worldly, you can say, जो भी हमारी अट्रैक्शन का कारण है, जिसमें इंसान की आत्मा अटक जाती है या फिर आकर्षण आ जाता है. Yes, next slide please. Yes, see, this is the example I'm giving you. When we sit in the meditation, we make a vision. We make a vision that what this, it is being shown in this yellow and red, it is the almighty authority, the supreme power. And this is our angelic form, where we see ourselves in the form of light. We have got another body in our body, which is the body of absolute light. It looks like our body only, but white in color, and all the light and light is there. Then we take the power from universe, and then it enters in our soul, and then we give it to the world. We hear the universal, all the, this thing has been shown, we can give the entire power to the universe. Next slide please. Yes, here you see, you can meditate and just take the thought that the rays of almighty authority are being diverted to the entire universe for all the souls on this universe, and along with that 5 elements of the universe. You meditate at your own place and just take this thought that all the rays are being directed to this universe. Next slide please. Yes, here if some city is very much critical, now suppose Brazil is in very much trouble, very much, you can say, most complicated situation in the Brazil. India is also getting very concerned situation for this, because Bombay today itself, in our society, 4 cases have come of corona. 4 cases today itself. And in this last week, I have seen in our entire society about 13. In the previous, what the wave was there of corona, almost 35 people I have seen corona affected in our society, whereas 108 flats we have got in our society. Today also, in the evening, when I meditated before coming here, what I was doing, I was sitting on the globe, and in the angelic form, I was taking the affirmation that मैं पवित्रता के सागर से पवित्रता की किरणें ले रहा हूँ from the ocean of power, from ocean of purity. I am taking all the purity in me, and from here I am giving it to all the people suffering worldwide of corona, those who are affected by corona or those who are affected because of corona. An entire 1 hour I have given this as my intention for today's meditation. This way it can not only affect the people in a society, but the entire world who is suffering of corona. Next slide please. This is the picture of this some city, that also you can visualize. Yes, now this is I take the special meditation this also, where we give all the power to the 5 elements. Earth element, take the power from the God and give it the earth element, because who has served us constantly giver, these 5 elements are always. Then water element, and third is sky, fourth is air, and fifth is fire. So by this योग के प्रयोग में we can even give these powers to all the 5 elements. And at the time of nuclear bombs, 9.3 Richter scales, earthquakes, tsunamis, I tell you, if you really give Sakash power to these elements, no element can ever give you any trouble. It can come closer to you, but it not harm you. This is the guarantee what the universe, what the 5 elements promise in return, because we are giving them the now power. ये शब्द is over ना? और कोई slide है क्या शब्द?
Yes, over. Now we have the meditation.
हाँ, yes. अभी हम 5 मिनट meditation करेंगे. We can go for the question answer later on. ये देखो यहाँ
ये
लिखा है.
एक और slide है आपकी.
हाँ, ये see, this is the globe, and we are sitting at that globe, and in the red form, the picture is shown of the almighty authority, what we call it the God, and then we take any, मैं शांति के सागर से शांति की किरणें ले रहा हूँ, और शांति की किरणें मुझ में समा रही हैं और सारे विश्व को जा रही हैं. अगर आपका मन बहुत अशांत रहता है, या फिर आपके जीवन में प्यार की कमी है, तो आप प्यार के सागर को इमेजिन करते हैं और फिर मैं सारी दुनिया को, या फिर मैं प्यार की किरणें ले रहा हूँ, वैसे ही शक्ति की होती हैं, वैसे ही ज्ञान की होती हैं, सद्बुद्धि की होती हैं। डिफरेंट डिफरेंट टेक्निक्स, डिफरेंट डिफरेंट इंटेंशन वी टेक इनटू दिस योग। अब हम थोड़ा सा इसको जानने के लिए एक शाद भाई कैसेट क्लियर करेंगे मेडिटेशन का। मैं आपको प्रैक्टिकल इस पे है ना कमेंट्री से मेडिटेशन कराऊंगा आपको मैं। यस, you to keep your eyes closed. Yes, play this video, Shazai, please. Yes. Be in a comfortable position. Keep your body straight. Look at the center of eyebrows. दोनों ही आंखों के बीच में अपने आप को आत्मा निश्चय करें। A point of light. चमकता हुआ बिंदु, दिव्य सितारा, shining star, twinkling shining star, point of light. Visualize yourself in the center of eyebrows. Look in the front. Who is the Father of all the souls? Parampita Paramatma, Almighty Authority, Infinite Intelligence. लगातार, constantly keep on watching at the center of this and visualize as if from the ocean of peace, शांति के सागर से शांति की किरणें मेरी भ्रुकुटी के मध्य में, in the center of my eyebrows, it's entering. You are energetically connected with the power. लगातार शांति की किरणें मुझे आत्मा में समा रही हैं। If you got any disease, you can take this meditation from the ocean of purity. पवित्रता के सागर से पवित्रता की किरणें निकलकर मेरे भ्रुकुटी के मध्य में, in the center of my eyebrows, it's entering my entire body. पवित्रता की किरणें पवित्रता के सागर से निकलकर मुझे आत्मा में, भ्रुकुटी के मध्य में और मुझसे समा रही हैं, पूरे शरीर में फैल रही हैं। और मेरे शरीर में जो भी पीड़ा है, जो भी वेदना है, जो भी बीमारी है, या जो भी वायरस है, चाहे वो कोरोना का हो, वो सब इन पवित्रता की किरणों से उसका इफेक्ट यूटिलाइज होते जा रहा है और मैं धीरे धीरे स्वस्थ होता जा रहा हूं। आई एम गेटिंग एब्सोल्युटली हेल्दी। अगर आपके जीवन में बहुत ही दुख है, यू कैन टेक दिस, सुख के सागर से सुख की किरणें मेरे भ्रुकुटी के मध्य में और मुझ में समा रही हैं। ये सुख की किरणें just keep on visualizing the rays in the form of pleasure are entering my center of eyebrows and making my life pleasurable. फील करें, विजुलाइज करें। Yes, thank you. Yes, Shadbhai, now we can go for the question answers.
Sure. Thank you very much, Balramji, for the eye-opening session. And hope everyone got some benefit because of this. I would request you to unmute yourselves and give a round of applause to Mr. Balram Talreja for this nice session. So, we are open for question and answers. In case if somebody has any questions, please
Yeah,
unmute
Balram ji,
yourself and ask.
may I ask a question, please? Shaz?
Yes,
Sure, please.
Yeah, बलराम जी सर, गुड इवनिंग. मैं विजय बोल रहा
very
हूँ.
good. हाँ जी.
आपने एक शुरू में एक अफर्मेशन करके और पानी में देख के बोला था कि आप इस मेडिसिन को देने से पहले पानी में देख के अफर्मेशन करें और फिर मेडिसिन दें तो उसका इफेक्ट बहुत अच्छा होता है. तो
Yes.
उस पानी का उसके बाद क्या करना है आपको?
मैंने पानी से आपको वो दवाई लेनी है, because we our body contains 70% of the water. ये पानी और दवाई दोनों एक साथ शरीर में जा रहे हैं काम करने के लिए. पानी का भी अपना मतलब वाटर ऑल्सो बिकम शरीर में चार्ज ना, so that will help you to cure the disease.
Right.
Yeah.
Understood.
Okay.
Without medicine also you can charge the water for any purpose. You can charge the water for any purpose. Any purpose. आपको जो भी है ना, अभी देखो मैं जब भी पानी पीता हूँ ना, मैं हमेशा पानी का ग्लास हाथ में लेने के बाद में I just say 3 times, मैं परम पवित्र आत्मा हूँ, मैं परम पवित्र आत्मा हूँ, मैं परम पवित्र आत्मा हूँ. That's all. I start consuming the water like this. वैसे ही if you take the milk, you repeat for 7 times. If you take a food, आज के बाद जब भी आप पानी पियेंगे, दूध पियेंगे, चाय पियेंगे, कॉफी पियेंगे या खाना खाएंगे, सिर्फ आपको अगर एफर्मेशन आप लोगे ना, मैं परम पवित्र आत्मा हूँ 3 to 7 times or 3 times in the water, आप देखो उसके बाद में आपको you will find the miracles with the जो भी आप उसमें लेते हैं पानी या दूध को, you will find the miracles with that.
Okay. In fact, let me just present the Dr. Emoto slide for you. Just give me a moment. Okay.
Yes, it is visible.
All right. So this is the slide for Dr. Emoto water experiment, which I had explained when Balram sir was not there. So these crystals, if what you can see on the left side of the image of his photograph, were taken through the microscope, and if you look at the formation of the crystals, when a love sticker was stuck on the bottle, there was a different formation, and when there was a sticker with the statement "I will kill you," there was a totally different formation. So water is considered to be one of the most receptive elements on the earth, and whatever you give energy to, it acquires very easily. So that's why it's considered and suggested to bless the water before you drink, and it works miraculously. It works as a medicine for you.
See, Shalvi, I would like to share it here.
Sure.
Listen me carefully. I was doing one program in Punjab, Batinda. What the sisters told me at the center, they told me we had a very big this place for the center to be constructed, and what we two sisters were doing, putting everything into the water कि हमारे इस जगह पर इतना बड़ा सेंटर बनेगा या गाड़ी का खड़ा करने प्लेस होगा, यहाँ पर हमारा गेस्ट रूम होगा. Whatever they wanted out of that plot to be converted into the constructed place, every day they were saying that in the water and drinking that water, and they could see everything was made as per their affirmation in the water. Such is the power of thought, such is the power of योग. योग करना इसलिए जरूरी है क्योंकि दूसरे कोई थॉट चलते नहीं है. वेट में ये थॉट्स आर मिनिमाइज, the waste gets minimized, and then the best can be there for you in your life. That is why meditation is very important. क्योंकि आपने एक बार तो ले तो लिया, लेकिन आपको अंदर का डाउट लगता है कि ऐसा होगा क्या, ऐसा पॉसिबल है क्या, हमारा इतना पैसा नहीं है वगैरह वगैरह. These thought keeps on creeping in your mind ना, then your thought which should be very stable, that only can get the power through regular practice of yoga, that is meditation.
Okay. I've just shared the link for Midweek Magic Club in the chat box. So in case if somebody has not joined, please feel free to join this WhatsApp group. Any more questions?
I have one question.
Okay, please go ahead.
Thank you, Balram sir, for this beautiful presentation. First of all, uh, so मेरा question ऐसा है कि मैं veterinarian हूँ. I deal with the animals. Can I use this experiment with the medicine on an animal?
See, we have been experimenting these प्रयोग for yoga even on the खेती के लिए हम यूज करते हैं, जानवरों के लिए यूज करते हैं. I tell you, this can be definitely because these experiments are directly touching the inner consciousness. It may be any animal, it can be any bird, it can be any damn thing. जिसके लिए आप इसको affirm करते हैं ना, वहां पर irrespective, because time and space is not constrained for our thought. तो जिस भी विचारों को लेकर आप चलते हैं, जिस भी विचार जिस इंटेंशन से किए जाते हैं, वो उनके पास पहुंचते ही है. आई एम टेलिंग यू, यहाँ पर एग्जांपल हमारे घर में, यहाँ पे बैठा हूँ मैं हॉल में, हमारे यहाँ फिश टैंक है. तो क्या होता था, बार बार फिश है ना मर जाती थी, बहुत सारी फिश. अभी है ना, मैंने कहा कि क्या करें, इसको निकाल दें, लेकिन ये बहुत अच्छा शुगुन माना जाता है घर में फिश पॉट रखना, और सभी लोग चाहते हैं इसको. तो व्हाट आई हैव डन इट इज ऑलमोस्ट नाउ अ ईयर टाइम. 7 फिशेस वी ब्रॉट, 6 गोल्डन एंड 1 ब्लैक कलर फिश. उसने कहा कि आप ऐसा करो, एवरी मॉर्निंग व्हेन आई सिट फॉर मेडिटेशन ऑन द टेबल, I tell all those fishes, good morning, we all love you, we all blessed with love, I'm happy to see you here. आज जो फिशेज इतनी छोटी इतनी बड़ी बड़ी हो गई हैं, एक भी फिश इतने एक साल में मरी नहीं है. Just by simple this experiment what I've been doing on them. I really love them. I talk to them.
जैसे like we medicine आपने बताया कि medicine किसी को देते हो, तो अगर when I am injecting anything or giving any medicine to any animal, so can I affirm that first कि ये medicine अब इसको completely recover और cure कर देगी patient को?
See, आपको क्या करना है, इस वक्त भगवान मेरे साथ है, उनकी समस्त शक्तियां मेरे साथ हैं, मैं इनको अब इंजेक्शन दे रहा हूं और आपके सारे पावर्स मेरे साथ हैं. Just imagine that when I went for vaccination about 8 days back, when I went for vaccination, that officer was telling me कि सर आपको डर लग रहा है क्या? मैं बोला क्या बात कर रहा है, मैं ट्रेनर, मैं तो लोगों को डर दूर करता हूँ, फोबियोस का, द मास्टरपीस. तो बोले आप क्या करते हैं? मैंने बोला अभी तो आपने लगाया नहीं ना, जस्ट यहाँ रखा है. मैंने पहले ही अपने भगवान को इमेजिन करके कहा कि अब वैक्सीनेशन अंदर जा रही है, इसके कुछ साइड इफेक्ट भी हो सकते हैं, बट आई एम डैम श्योर, क्योंकि भगवान मेरा साथी है, मैं उनकी किरणों के नीचे एक वैक्सीनेशन ले रहा हूँ, एंड एवरीथिंग इज गोइंग टू बी एब्सोल्युटली फाइन विथ मी. ऐसा करके मैंने वैक्सीनेशन लिया एंड नथिंग हैपेंड टू बोथ ऑफ अस. इट इज ऑलमोस्ट नाउ 10 days आई हैव टेकन द वैक्सीनेशन, वेरी फर्स्ट डोज ऑफ कोरोना. So it always works. Always works.
Thank you so much.
In fact, I would like to add here, not only for medicine for animals, but it works for plants as well.
Yes, very true. Very true.
Okay, any more questions? All right, so in that case, we would like to come to an end of the session. Thank you everyone for being there. And let's meet next week, next Wednesday. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you to all of you. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much. Thank you.